हमारे मुंबई में अभी जो BLOs बनाए गए हैं, बहुत दुर्भाग्य की बात है that people from conservative employees from conservative department, those who are poor illiterates, they are being inducted in this exercise, which they are saying that we are not aware of this machinery. हम लोग ये काम नहीं कर सकते हैं, हमारा काम भी नहीं, हम जानते भी नहीं है. और इसको लेके, इस मशीनरी को लेके अगर आप आगे जाएंगे और आप अगर वोटर लिस्ट बनाएंगे तो पानी जी, I'll listen to you. I know your voice here. Let me speak. I'm speaking the truth. I'm speaking what I have experienced. Don't try to teach me. I'm speaking. I am speaking what we have experienced. You have not experienced. Election Commission has come out with qualifying dates. That 1st of January, 1st of April, 1st of July, and then.
माननीय सदस्य श्री अनिल देसाई जी.
Thank you, Chair Madam. We are speaking on election reforms. We are discussing election reforms, and I think eminent speaker like Rajiv Ranjan ji, who was speaking, I was wondering whether he is speaking on election reforms or he is just praising the Election Commission and the CEC and his election commissioners together. Madam, election is the base, and therefore it lies at the very heart of democracy. It is through elections that people in democracy participate in public affairs and express their will. It is again through elections that power changes hands in peaceful and orderly manner. In a democracy, and authority of the governments gets legitimacy. Elections thus not only sustain democracy but enliven it as well. Holding free and fair elections is therefore crucial and indispensable element of our democracy. The Constitution entrusts the responsibility of superintendents, direct and control of preparation of electoral rolls for the conduct of all elections to the Parliament, state legislatures, and elections to the office of President and Vice President. And this has been entrusted through by Constitution under Article 324. One of the central features of the electoral system, as it has been stated by many speakers, that universal adult franchise. This is enunciated in Article 326. While the Constitution under 326 is one of the cardinal features of the electoral system, the Representation of People's Act 1950 enunciates the same through Section 23, which effectuates it. There shall be an electoral roll for every territorial constituency for election to the either House of the Parliament or to the state legislature, and no person shall be excluded from such roll on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or any of them. But is it truly and effectively followed the way it is being enunciated and enshrined in the Constitution? This is a million-dollar question which comes to the mind of people if we go through what the voter list of any state, any point of time, any election, general elections, or be it for the local elections also. The voter list, which has, with the ensuing elections which are there in my state, Maharashtra, ये जो चुनाव अभी होने जा रहे हैं, इन चुनावों के दरमियान जो वोटर लिस्ट बनाई गई थी, जो बन रही है, अभी वहाँ पे जो भी खामियां थी, whatever deficiencies were there in the blemishes were there in the voter list were brought to the notice of Chief Election Officer of the state, that is Maharashtra, who represents Election Commission of India. And the state election commissioner is there with the entire machinery. He operates the things because he is the one who conducts and supervises the elections in the state of Maharashtra. इतनी खामियां थी, डुप्लीकेट वोटर्स के नाम थे, डेड वोटर्स के नाम थे, जो सूची में बार बार आए गए, जो बताया भी गया, उनके निर्देश में लाया भी गया कि इनको सुधारो, उसके लिए एक प्रणाली भी उन्होंने बनाई. लेकिन ये बार बार बताने के बावजूद हमारे नेता, युवा नेता आदित्य जी स्वयं उन्होंने इस तरह से पब्लिक अवेयरनेस के लिए भी काफ़ी प्रोग्राम किए. उनकी वर्ली कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में उन्होंने एक उदाहरण के तौर पर ये सब बातें लोगों के सामने ले आई. इन बातों को सामने एक बहुत अच्छे डेलीगेशन के ज़रिए हमने बातें रखी भी। इलेक्शन कमिश्नर जहाँ पे स्टेट के थे, उनके साथ में चीफ इलेक्शन ऑफिसर भी थे, जिनकी जिम्मेदारी रहती है इलेक्शन रोल बनाना। लेकिन जिम्मेदारियाँ एक दूसरे पर पासिंग द बक्स on one another, that was the game. Blame game was openly seen and it was never adjusted. Things are there, very much there in the domain, public domain. People are resisting. A big public rally was led by Uddhav ji and Raj Thackeray ji, and all other allied parties were there with us. महाविकास आघाड़ी के सभी नेताओं थे, शरद चंद्र पवार जी खुद थे, और ये सब लाने के लाखों की तादाद में लोग आए थे। लोग सिर्फ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ के नहीं थे। ये सब खामियां बताई गई और इसमें सुधार करने की मांग की, लेकिन इस सुधार करने के मांग के लिए इनके पास कोई मशीनरी नहीं थी। आज बहुत सारे वक्ताओं ने यहाँ पे कहते हुए कहा कि बीएलओ की प्लाइट क्या है, बीएलओज़ किस तरह से सुसाइड कर रहे हैं। बीएलओज़ की हालत इनकी, इसी के साथ में ईआरओज़ और एईआरओज़ जो इनकी एक मशीनरी है, इनके पास भी बहुत सारा इग्नोरेंस है। They are, though they are literate, but they are ignorant as far as the election commission's work is concerned. और इसी ज्ञान, इसी बात का पता ना होते हुए इसका पूरा जो भी भुगतना पड़ता है, जो झेलना पड़ता है, वो सारे वोटर्स के लिए जाना पड़ता है। वोटर्स के नाम अगर डुप्लीकेट, अगर रेमिसेस रहेंगे तो फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शंस का क्या मतलब होगा। ये बातें हमने यहाँ पे चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर के सामने निर्वाचन आयोग सदन में हमने जब रखी, जब पूरे डेलीगेशन के साथ अपोजिशन पार्टीज़ के गए थे, तब उन्होंने एक ऑटोक्रेट की तरह से हमारे ऊपर बर्ताव किया। और राजीव रंजन राय जी कह रहे हैं कि इलेक्शन कमीशन के ऊपर बात नहीं करना चाहिए, बीइंग अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी। येस, वी डू अंडरस्टैंड, वी रिस्पेक्ट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी, बट द पर्सन हु इज इन चार्ज और हु इज सिटिंग देयर and holding this kind of respectable position, coveted position, he should be answerable to the people. He is answerable to the political parties because we are the largest stakeholders. He is answerable, accountable to the people of India. ये जो SIR के बात कर रहे हैं, SIR के लिए बिहार में जिस स्टेट्स में हो रहा है, क्यों इस तरह से बात, जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बताया आधार कार्ड आपको यहाँ पे सख्ती से लाना होगा, when other 11 proofs were there, why Aadhaar card was added to it? This itself shows that you have to accept you are not full-fledged और आप पूरे विद्वान पंडित नहीं हैं. You have to go by what is there in the constitution, and then according to Supreme Court, what judgment given by the Supreme Court, it was added. ये सब बातें जिस तरह से चल रही हैं, इन बातों का इसका परिणाम क्या होता है? अब जब लोकल बॉडीज़ के इलेक्शन महाराष्ट्र में हो रहे हैं, ये आरओ जो रहते हैं, वो रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर रहते हैं, ये स्वयं सिद्ध एक बहुत बड़ा अधिकारी रहता है। और जब साधारण लोग किसी बात से वंचित होते हैं, दोज हु आर डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ देयर स्टैट्यूटरी राइट टू वोट, तो उनके पास कोई चारा नहीं रहता है। एवरीथिंग कम्स दैट, आई मीन, यू हैव अ लीगल रिकोर्स ओनली आफ्टर पोस्ट इलेक्शंस के बाद जाने के बाद में आज तक जितने भी इलेक्शंस पिटिशंस हुए हैं, जो भी बातें कोर्ट में पड़ती है, और दिस इज ऑल फ्यूटाइल एक्सरसाइज, नथिंग कम्स आउट ऑफ इट, एंड दिस इज बीन एक्सपीरियंस टाइम एंड अगेन। तो ये जो सुधार इलेक्टोरल रिफॉर्म्स के करने हैं, इस पर मैं जब बात करता हूँ, तो ये आज जिस तरह से 9 स्टेट्स में और 3 यूनियन टेरिटरीज में हो रहा है, तो इसके लिए जो लोग बताते हैं, उसी के ऊपर एन्यूमरेशन फॉर्म के बारे में जो इन्होंने बताया तृणमूल कांग्रेस के सांसद ने, बैनर्जी ने, तो ये सही बात है। इसके ऊपर सुधार या इसके ऊपर गौर करना चाहिए। इलेक्शन कमीशन शुड पे heed to it, it should pay proper attention through its machinery. That machinery should be made available because election commission doesn't have funds for, unfortunately. It cannot draw funds independently from the consolidated funds of India. It has to depend on the government of India. So begging, with a begging bowl, if they stand in front of the government would play the way it wants. And it has been seen. I mean, we are not charging, I'm not alleging, I'm not holding him responsible for all that is happening, the deficiencies which are coming. But yes, I mean, again, the finger goes to him only, election commissioner only. That election commissioner should be completely full-fledged, machinery should be there. Where do they have manpower? They have to borrow manpower. हमारे मुंबई में अभी जो BLOs बनाए गए हैं, बहुत दुर्भाग्य की बात है, that people from conservative employees from conservative department, those who are poor illiterates, they are being inducted in this exercise, which they are saying that we are not aware of this machinery. हम लोग ये काम नहीं कर सकते हैं, हमारा काम भी नहीं, हम जानते भी नहीं हैं। और इसको लेके, इस मशीनरी को लेके अगर आप आगे जाएंगे और आप अगर वोटर लिस्ट बनाएंगे तो वो वोटर लिस्ट कैसे बनेगी? ये वोटर लिस्ट अगर ब्लेमिसेस है तो फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शंस का क्या मतलब हुआ? और जब आप इसी मेन मुद्दों को लेके आप पीछे छोड़ेंगे, then what is the use and how our democracy stays when we take pride in saying that we are the mother of democracy, we are the largest democracy in the world, but where do we stand and how do we go? If we are to proceed, I mean, these electoral reforms need to be there. आपको एक छोटे बहुत कम समय में मैं आपको ये करूँगा, इलेक्शन का फाइनेंस के बारे में एक रिफॉर्म ज़रूरी है. And Law Commission 255th report of AP Shah, if we go by, lot of reforms have been suggested. Where are they? Are they being implemented? Are they being considered? Are they being thought over? ये इसके ऊपर सुझाव ये जो आए हैं उसके ऊपर कुछ विचार विमर्श हो रहा है गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से, या इलेक्शन कमीशन इसको प्रेसिडेंट जी के पास, महामहिम राष्ट्रपति जी के पास भेजेगी? ये जो 2018 में इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड्स आए थे, इसका सबसे फायदा किसको हुआ? ये फायदा जो हुआ वो इलेक्शन कमीशन, सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज ब्रॉट इट टू द नोटिस, इट केम टू द पब्लिक वेयर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ दिस, that maximum benefit was derived by the ruling government, ruling party, and ruling party, after reaping all the benefits, now they are finding other avenues to see that how they can, and this has affected the many states which other speakers were saying, that Manoj Tiwari, when he said that this money, very much the wealth gotten from all these ways, from electoral bonds, now they are using for every state wherever elections are being held. इसी पैसे को लेके अगर आप ये करोगे तो दूसरी पार्टियां को कोई चांस ही नहीं रहेगा. इलेक्शन फंडिंग अगर बाकी पार्टियों के पास नहीं रहेगा तो किस तरह से हम लड़ेंगे? मैडम, एंटी डिफेक्शन लॉ के बारे में भी एक रिफॉर्म बहुत अच्छा सुझाव दिया हुआ है. एंटी डिफेक्शन लॉ की तो धज्जियां उड़ाई है महाराष्ट्र में. वी आर द वन, आई मीन, वी हु हैव विटनेस्ड एंड द एंटायर कंट्री हैज विटनेस्ड इट. इट्स अ टूथलेस. मैं 2-3 मुद्दे रखता हूँ, बाकी बातें तो ज़्यादा करनी नहीं है. तो ये जो महाराष्ट्र में इस तरह का जो हुआ, ये इट हैज़ हैपन ओनली बिकॉज दैट toothless law, anti-defection is, and it was not applied in letter and spirit. When Supreme Court had given the direction to the Speaker as a tribunal of Maharashtra, Speaker of Maharashtra was given the power as a tribunal to decide on the very fact that how anti-defection law had taken place and who is the party and all that. And the undecisive order what Speaker of Maharashtra came out, I mean, that has gone in the history. That has gone in the history, and that is the black day what Maharashtra faced. And what Maharashtra faced, the entire country is saying that. The entire country has witnessed it. The ordinary citizen, ordinary people of India, they are thinking whether really we are practicing democracy in the country like India. हमारे यहाँ पे सच में हम लोकतंत्र को मानते हैं, करते हैं, या लोकतंत्र के मार्ग पर चलते हैं. Strengthening of the, there is Pani ji, I'll listen to you. I know your voice here. Let me speak. I'm speaking the truth. I'm speaking what I have experienced. Don't try to fix me. I'm speaking.
माननीय सदस्य
Pani ji, बैठिए. I'm speaking what we have experienced. You are not experienced. When you experience this kind of bitter experience, don't. Madam, please.
कंप्लीट करिए माननीय
Please,
सदस्य.
I need indulgence, madam. Madam, one more, this thing is strengthening of the election, strengthening of the office of Election Commission. This Election Commission of India is poorly equipped with whatever is there at their disposal. There is no manpower. They have to borrow manpower from everywhere, every corner. Now, local body elections, I've given you the example. When they do not have EROs, the way they answer people, AEROs, they have a lot of responsibility lying on their shoulders. They don't respond to the people. Form 6, Form 7, Form 8, everything is there. Theoretically and ideally, everything is there. We can show it to the world. But practically, nothing is experienced. What is happening? This universal adult franchise, is it being practiced that way? 18 years, those who have completed 18 years, qualifying dates have been given by Election Commission, 2 points. Election Commission has come out with qualifying dates, that 1st of January, 1st of April, 1st of July, and then 1st of October. On these dates, those who are completing 18 years, they are given chance as a first-time voter. whether is it taken up that way, whether their names appear in the voter list. This is the maximum number of maximum percentage what we see, and what we see today. And people, those youngsters who are deprived of their first-time chance, what will they think and how they will carry the responsibility on the shoulders of people of them to build strong India? This is a question in the minds of youth in the youth of
धन्यवाद
India.
माननीय सदस्य।
Paid news
माननीय
and
सदस्य
political
श्रीमती
advertisements.
सुप्रिया सुले
It has not stopped. मैं दो बातें कर रहा हूँ जो रिफॉर्म्स की है।
करिए, पूरा बाकी कर लीजिए।
मैडम ये रिफॉर्म्स की बात है।
बैठिए माननीय सदस्य,
ये रिफॉर्म्स की बात है।
कंप्लीट करिए, कंप्लीट
ये रिफॉर्म्स की बातें हैं जो मैं कह रहा हूँ, मेरा हक है। जो रिफॉर्म्स की बातें हैं, मैं ऐसी कोई फिजूल की बात नहीं कर रहा। Paid news and political advertisements. There is a rule. There is a provision that 6 months before the general elections, 6 months before the elections, that government should not spend on political advertisements. But political advertisements are there, blatantly seen everywhere. Rampant advertisement cost is there. Huge cost is incurred on this. And on the other side, as freebies, once upon a time that our Honorable Prime Minister was coming very much, he was very much vocal against this kind of freebies which were going around in the country and states. But the same Prime Minister under whose the entire machinery works, the government, ruling government works, the entire this thing is freebies are given. ये जो लाडली बहना ये सब कर रहे हैं, where is the, and today that states are borrowing to see that these things are provided for, where the taxman's money goes, and how will we see that India's bright future? That these are the things which are there in the minds of not only politicians, these are the questions raised by common man that need to be addressed. Election petitions, as I said, that it is completely वीवीपैट का जो ये है, जो बैलेट पेपर से हमने शिफ्ट किया हुआ है, तो ये जो ईवीएम है, ये ईवीएम में भी बहुत सारी खामियां जो बताई गई बार बार कि भाई हमने शिफ्ट तो कर दिया, तो जो वोटर हु वोट्स ही नीड्स टू नो वेयर हिज वोट गोज, एंड इफ इट इज नॉट, then if any inkling of doubt remains in the mind of the voter, that is not a democracy what we are practicing. We need to go back to the paper ballot. Why don't you, even if it takes 8 to 10 days, a country like US, it takes to declare the result 8 to 10 days. I mean, where India, why should we suffer on that count? We are ready for that. India is a subcontinent. India is a very big country, emerging country. विकसित भारत देखना है, आत्मनिर्भर भारत देखना है, तो आत्मनिर्भर भारत की ये सबसे बड़ी जरूरत है कि ये स्पष्टता होनी चाहिए कि मेरा मत, मेरी वोट कहाँ पे गई। एक लास्ट पॉइंट कर रहा हूँ, लास्ट पॉइंट बोल रहा हूँ मैडम, इसमें सीईसी का रोल, जो जब भी सभी ने बताया कि सीईसी का रोल, he is not accountable. He says that I am not answerable to ordinary people, but he is accountable to the people of India collectively. He is accountable and he is answerable to political parties, which he doesn't show any respect. The time when we met by a delegation, we were just shown that the autocrat was speaking one way and there was no listening given to people. There is a judgment of Justice, former Justice of Supreme Court, Joseph. He has clearly said that he should have power and he should stand. He should not bow down to the ruling government. And that kind of election commissioner we need. There should be a procedure and by which people will witness and people will say that yes, we have a right to
आपका टाइम कम हो रहा है।
Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you. Madam, I speak here today.